I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring prerequisites are ready, your game and platform are updated, and you've backed up configs and saved data. Once done, close overlays and background apps that can interfere. Now launch Call of Duty. Modern Warfare 2 with the safe mode trigger. On PC, hold Shift while starting. On consoles, use controller options per manufacturer. This minimizes conflicts and lets the game bypass risky settings so you can isolate the issue quickly and safely. You're now inside safe mode. Use it to diagnose. First, apply minimal settings, low resolution, no ray tracing, low textures, so performance variables are limited. Then test one change at a time. Update GPU drivers, disable overlays, toggle network features, or remove mods. Check in-game logs and Windows Event Viewer for specific errors. By changing single variables, you'll find the root cause faster. Make notes of each test so you can revert or apply the successful fix later. You finish by applying the confirmed fix stepwise. Update GPU drivers, verify game files via client, and only then reinstall game components if needed. Once changes are applied, restart normally and test a full session including multiplayer to confirm stability. If problems persist, perform a fresh install and wipe corrupted config files as the last resort. This often eliminates hidden config conflicts. And remember, if errors reappear, capture logs and repeat isolated tests. Those logs guide targeted fixes faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.